canoeist. Lisa DeHart here, 3 minutes with a Maine Guide. I'm pulling out for another canoe trip, and I'm going to spruce up these two setting poles before I do, and I thought I'd let you know how we do that. So about once a year, in the spring and the fall, I just take 50 grit sandpaper, and I run it along the poles and smooth out all the nicks and rough. And then I just take equal parts of polyurethane, boiled linseed oil, and paint thinner, mineral spirits. And I put it in a little can, all equal parts, and I just mix it up and I just put it on with an old rag. So I'm going to start with the spruce pole. Really doesn't matter. I'm just going to take the sandpaper and I'm going to just start at one end till I get to the other. I'm just going to smooth it out. Here's also my chance to check for any cracks, any chips. Going to look at the metal end, make sure that's all good and it's still got the plenty of spikes sticking out. Okay, so once you've got it mixed up, just put a decent amount on a cloth. It's worth saying to label the can really good, because it's not really going to look like anything you're used to. I just call it pole juice, is what I call it. And it just goes on with the rag pretty quick and dirty. It takes about a day to dry. In good weather, it'll take about a day to dry. If you want to put on a second coat, go ahead and put on a second coat. But it's just a really nice combination. I've got poles that are 18, 20, 30 years old that I've used this every year on. And they're still going strong. It's worth it to label. Once I do this, I'll let it dry and then I'll put my moniker on it so that they don't get confused, so that nobody takes one of my poles. Maine Guide Dan Flamini said, we were working a polling clinic together, and one of the guests said, how do you pick a pole? And he said, well, it's really kind of like the wands in Harry Potter. And I always thought that was pretty cool and entirely accurate. So, yeah, take good care of it. It'll take good care of you. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just met 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.